Hello, students. How are you? Hope you are safe and sound indoors. Take care of your health. A warm welcome to our channel. This is the fifth video in this series related to Chapter 1 Reproduction in Organism in CBSE NCERT Class 12 Biology book. Now let us move on to the first question. Meiosis is best observed in dividing dash. Option number 1, cells of apical meristem. Option number 2, cells of lateral meristem. Option number 3, microspores and anther wall. Option number 4, microsporocytes. In this, meiosis is best observed in dividing microsporocytes. So option number 4 is correct. The American water plant that has become a troublesome water weed in India is dash. Option number 1, Cyperus rotundus. Option number 2, Eichhornia crassipus. Option number 3, Trappa latifolia. Option number 4, Trappa bispinosa. Actually, Eichhornia crassipus is the botanical name of water hyacinth. We all know pretty well that it has become a troublesome water weed in India, especially in West Bengal. So, it is also called as terror of Bengal. So, option number 2, Eichhornia crassipus is the correct answer. Next question. Write the two pre-fertilization events. Fertilization process is divided into three. 1. Pre-fertilization events, fertilization events, and post-fertilization events. Gametogenesis and gamete transfer are the two pre-fertilization events. What is meant by gametogenesis? Formation of two types of gametes, that is male and female gametes, is known as gametogenesis. It is followed by the transfer of gametes. These two are the pre-fertilization events. So the answer is gametogenesis and gamete transfer. Next question. There is no death in single-celled organisms like amoeba and bacteria. Give reason. Option number 1, they are immortal. Option number 2, parent body is distributed among the offspring. Number 3, parent organism converts itself into offspring. Option number 4, none. First one, they are immortal. It means they don't die. Option number 2, parental body is distributed among the offspring. In amoeba and bacteria, the parental body splits into two halves and new organisms are formed. This phenomenon is known as binary fission. So, in the case of binary fission, parental body is distributed among the offspring. So, option number 2 is correct. Next question. Vegetative propagation in water hyacinth occurs by option number 1, bulb. Bulb is the vegetative propagule of onions. Option number 2, runner. Runner is the vegetative propagule of grasses. Option number 3, offset. Offset is the vegetative propagule of water hyacinth. So, option number 3, offset is correct. Fourth one, rhizome. It is the vegetative propagule in ginger. The next question. The type of reproduction adopted by an organism depends on the organism's dash. Option number 1, habitat. Option number 2, physiology. Option number 3, genetic makeup. Option number 4, all the above. The mode of reproduction adopted by an organism depends on all these three factors. So option number 4, all the above is correct. Next question. Development of unfertilized ovum into a new individual is called dash. Option number 1, parthenocarpy. Option number 2, parthenogenesis. Option number 3, oogenesis. And option number 4, amapixis. We know that the reproduction from an ovum without fertilization is called parthenogenesis. So here the answer is parthenogenesis. Next question. Sponges are examples of dash. Option number 1, hermaphrodite animals. Option number 2, unisexual animals. Option number 3, dioecious plants. Option number 4, monoecious plants. There are certain animals that are bisexual in nature. They possess both male and female reproductive organs. They are called hermaphrodite animals. Example, earthworms, sponges, tapeworm and leeches. So here, sponges are examples of hermaphrodite animals. Next question. Which of the following occurs in non-primate mammals? Option number 1, estrous cycle. Option number 2, menstrual cycle. Option number 3, oxygen cycle. Option number 4, respiratory cycle. Females of placental mammals exhibit cyclical changes in the activities of their ovaries and accessory ducts. These changes are also exhibited in the hormones. Actually, these type of changes take place during reproductive phases. These cyclic changes in non-primate mammals like cows, sheep, rats, deers, dogs, tiger, etc. is termed as estrous cycle. In primate, that is monkeys, apes and humans, this very same process is called menstrual cycle. So here the answer is estrous cycle.
Please subscribe our channel and click the bell button for more videos.